Is it going? Good.
Yep.
All right.
Daniel, say hey.
Hey, Mitch.
All right. So what we got here? Go ahead and get a shot in here real quick.
Mitchell.
Get a shot in here. In here. All right. We got liquid nitrogen in here.
Can I breathe that?
No.
No.
All right. I mean, it's not poison. You're fine here. You're like sticking your head in or something like that. No, don't worry about that. All right. So it's liquid nitrogen in there. All right, keep going. All right, cool. And we're going to be putting a couple things in here, like this ball here.
Woo!
Whoa!
There we go. There.
Is it hot?
No, what we got here is liquid nitrogen, so it's cooled down a lot. All right, liquid nitrogen is cooled down a lot here.
Isn't this like if you stick your finger in it and like put your finger on the table, your finger will like shatter?
Well, we'll see a couple things happening here. We got
Your finger will shatter?
Shows and stuff?
Actually, there's a lot. You can,
$100
but
you do
there's a lot easier things to do than that.
Wait,
for doing
if
that.
you stick your finger in there, it'll shatter if you hit it?
Yeah. Let's see here. So, do you want to steer clear of it? We also
I'll
let's
see
see
if
here.
it freezes your hand. Shatter my hand.
Okay.
Top of scale of 1 to 10, how cool is this?
Awesome.
This
Nah,
works.
it feels great.
All right.
What is that?
Got an onion here.
I knew I smelled onion when I walked in.
Okay, let me go ahead and pop this in.
Be sure not to touch them.
Oh, those gloves are pretty cool. Those are like NASA gloves.
Yeah.
So it won't freeze your hand if you use the glove.
If it splashes on me, yeah.
It could
There we
freeze
go.
your hand if it
Now what's
splashes.
happening here is the liquid nitrogen is right at the temperature where it would, guys. Liquid nitrogen is right at the temperature where it would go from liquid to gas. Okay. Anything warmer than that is going to make it go from liquid to gas. It's going to make it. What do we call it going from liquid to gas?
Evaporation.
Condensation.
Evaporation or
Sublimation. No, that's solid.
yeah. Just think. See what?
Kiss on the camera.
Not quite.
Sublimation.
It's going from liquid to gas, either evaporation
Ooh,
or we call it,
serious.
like if I've got some water, I put it on the stove, I want to make it go from liquid water to gas water.
Boil.
Boil, yeah.
I'm getting
All right.
back to this again.
The room temperature stuff is warm enough to get it to boil. The room temperature stuff we got in here is warm enough to get it to boil. Like for instance, these flowers here
Just get 2 5.
are warm enough to get the liquid nitrogen to boil some here. Okay, so we got these flowers. Everybody see the flowers here? We get them? Okay.
I'll get a better angle.
We got the flowers here. All right. There we go. So the liquid nitrogen is boiling because of the hot flour. The hot flour is like a heating element, making the liquid nitrogen boil. All
American National movie. American National movie.
right, it doesn't take very long for this,
Tell the devil to do it.
which is good because I
I
hardly
know
have
you're talking
any left.
Sorry, you just watch Disney Channel. Hey, don't forget I have a
Actually, it
camera.
wasn't Disney.
That was? That was the ABC.
And we get out something that's very fragile in the end here. All right, we get this very fragile because the molecules are holding onto each other much tighter, and we get.
Woo!
What?
Whoa!
So it's much more fragile than it used to
What
be.
the?
Can I touch it?
Much more brittle than it
I
used to
told
be.
you.
That is crazy.
Not yet. Let it warm up a little bit here. The more it takes heat from your hand, the
So is that bouncy ball gonna break?
good.
Let's do it.
All right.
We're definitely putting this on YouTube.
Let's see. Okay.
That is cold.
So the more water it's got,
I want to touch it.
the more heat it can take from your hand. So you gotta
Wow.
be careful about the stuff that's got a lot of water in it. All right. The stuff that's got a lot of water in it, you gotta be real
It's
careful.
got a lot
about.
hotter in Natalie's hands.
Yeah, it's starting to melt.
Okay. What keeps this balloon inflated? What's making this balloon
Helium
inflated?
or air.
Just air, right? Air doing what? Air makes what? Air does what to the rubber?
It pushes out on
Yeah, it pushes out on it, right? If we slow it down, it doesn't push as hard, right? If we slow it down, it doesn't push as
It's
hard.
gonna shrink.
And
Yeah. I hope that the mic's on.
it winds up taking up a lot less room there.
Does that break too?
And as it warms up, it takes up more and more and more room there.
That's
As it
bizarre.
warms up, it takes up more room.
Why did that one break his like the flower?
Huh? Well, I didn't hit it against something.
Smash it.
Yeah.
So if you would have it, would
Plus, it didn't have a lot of frozen water in it, too. Okay? The flour had a lot of frozen water.
Oh, like it soaked it up.
So, but we can do this repeatedly here.
No, you got it. You're doing great. Don't drop it down.
And I'm getting nervous.
There we are. Takes up very little room there. But then it'll wind up reinflating.
Topping.
That is so
In charge.
Let's see here. This is getting good for us here.
Does it fit? Isn't marshmallow gonna shatter?
The marshmallow we'll do something else with. Here's the rubber ball here.
Oh, it's just batteries running low.
All right, here's the rubber ball. Be sure to catch this when it goes all the way.